apple, the round and red fruit. My name is Apple, and I'm known for being crispy and sweet. You can find me in orchards and sometimes in your lunchbox. I'm not just delicious. I'm also packed with vitamins to keep you healthy and happy.
In the past 30 days, this faceless educational cartoon channel made anywhere from $1,000 to $13,000 per month. They posted only faceless animated cartoon videos. Let's check some of their videos. This video is about naming vegetables and got over 15 million views. This video about naming fruits got over 43 million views. So in this video, I will show you how easily you can make these types of faceless educational cartoon videos. I will use ChatGPT to create the content. So, let's start with ChatGPT. I prepared this simple prompt for fruits, which you can find in the video's description. You can replace fruits with the vegetables, vehicles, or anything else. Just press enter and your script is ready. Now for the voice, first, log into ElevenLabs. Now copy the first part about fruits from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now select a voiceover character from this list. Click on the Generate, and when complete, just download it. Follow the same process for the rest of the fruits. Now, we will create the character. Visit Canva. From the Create Design menu, select the YouTube video format size. Here, we will create our character. Now, our first fruit is the apple, so add one apple from Elements. Always select one from the graphics. Reshape and place it. Our next fruit is the mango, so add one mango from Elements. Take one from the graphics section. Now, we need to add their hands, legs, and eyes. From Elements, search for a cartoon hand. Avoid the white-colored hand. At one point, we need to remove the white background. So, if our hand or leg color is white, Canva will remove the white part of the hands or legs. Reshape the hand and send it back from the layer. Now, copy and paste the hand. Rotate the hand using the flip option. Then, from the layer, send it backward. Now search for cartoon legs. Avoid white-colored legs. I will only use the right leg, so I am just cropping the right leg. Now place it and send it back. Copy and paste this leg and adjust it. Send it backward. Now, add one face from Elements. You can select any one, just ensure the white part is minimal. Adjust it with the apple body. Now, for the mango, copy and paste the full apple. Place it over the mango. Remove the apple. Now, adjust the body parts. Now, download it. Download the PNG file, not the MP4 file. Now, visit this site to animate our character. It's simple. Just upload the photo you downloaded from Canva. Click Next. Then Agree. And select one character. You animate one character at a time. Select Next, then Next again. Keep it as it is, just click Next. So, our animation is ready. You will get lots of options here. From the left side, select any action and see the changes. You need to download 3 to 4 options. Just check which ones look good for your content. One important thing, if you are from outside Asia, you can download these files from the share option. If you are from Asia, just record the screen using any screen recorder. I have done it with Camtasia, just recorded the animated screen, and after that, I rendered it. After that, go to Canva and upload these animated video files. Also, upload the audio file from ElevenLabs. Now, create a new page and select a new background. Add one animated video from the upload section. Resize it and remove the white background. Now, create another page and add one new background image. Add another animated video from the uploaded section. I downloaded 3 videos from that site. After that, remove the white background. Now, create another page. Add one background image from the element section. Add another video from the upload option. Remove the background. It's time to add the audio now. Now, I will split the audio into 3 parts and will adjust it with the timeline. If you downloaded 2 animated video from that site, then split the audio into 2 parts. If you downloaded for animated videos, then split the audio into 4 parts. It's up to you. Just adjust the audio with the animated videos. Just split the audio and adjust the timeline. So, the first part of our video is completed and the output is here.
I'm Apple, the round and red fruit. My name is Apple, and I'm known for being crispy and sweet. You can find me in orchards and sometimes in your lunchbox. I'm not just delicious. I'm also packed with vitamins to keep you healthy and happy.
So just do the same thing for mango and other fruits. It's super simple. This type of channel grows fast and YouTube promotes them a lot. So, if you like this, you can start a channel like this.